Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on Auto Accept on Cash App. First, launch the Cash App on your phone or tablet. Once the application is open, look for your profile icon. It is typically a small circle, often displaying your picture or initials, located in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will open your personal account menu, which is where we will begin. Within your profile menu, scroll downwards until you see the Privacy and Security option. This specific section is designed to manage various settings related to your account's safety and how transactions are processed. Carefully tap on Privacy and Security to proceed to the next set of options, which is crucial for customizing your payment preferences and finding the Auto Accept feature. Now, on the Privacy and Security page, scroll down until you locate the Auto Accept Payments toggle. This essential setting controls whether incoming money deposits directly into your Cash App balance without any further action from you. It might be in the Payments or Receiving Money subsection. The toggle will clearly indicate its current state, either on or off. To activate the feature, simply tap the toggle switch next to Auto Accept Payments so it moves to the on position. Cash App may then present a small pop-up window, asking you to confirm that you indeed wish to enable this setting. Carefully read any messages displayed on this confirmation screen and proceed by tapping Confirm or Enable to finalize your selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.